All right, hey, this is Jared again, back in the garage working on the squat rack. Today I'm going to put the ledger up on the wall, or put both ledgers up, and then hopefully get this mounted on hinges. So what I did so far, I just took one of these. In fact, I took this one because see how they're not quite the same. I wanted to get this high point. This will be the high point. The casters are down here, so obviously the other end is the top. And I put that up against the wall and kind of checked it with the level and got it right where I wanted it. And then I marked this line where the top of the ledger will be. This is a stud in here, so I'm going to hold it up here. I got another line over here just to get it level all the way across, but I'm going to check it with the level anyways. And then I got another stud marked right there. I just want to get a screw in each of those studs to hold it up, and then I can screw the rest of them in without my wife's help. My wife's going to help me hold the ledger up. Okay, so I got that marked off, and I will. Oh yeah, I'm going to use these Spax screws. No pre-drilling is a big deal. I keep talking about them, I know, and I got the bit for them. So if you get the Spax, you need to have the bit that goes with them, the driver bit. Okay, so let me set this up over here so you guys can see, and we will get this in place, drive a couple screws in, and then stop the video and I'll drive the rest of the screws without your watching. Okay. So I got this, get this board here. Fine, just come back. I'll tell you. I'm just trying to get it on these lines right now. That's good. Okay, so if you just kind of do this, it should stay. You got it? Okay. She's got it. I got a screw in my pocket here somewhere. Okay. So I'm just going to get this right in between these dots to get it on the stud. Okay, I went a little too far there. You live and learn. That really grabs and pulls in. So that's in there. It kind of messed up that wood. I'm not too worried about it. If I'm really concerned about the way it looks, I can get some wood filler. Oh, well, I'm sorry. Let me give my wife a break. Sorry. Let me get that other one in. I'm going to turn my drill down a little bit. It's got an adjustment for the power. Get another screw. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna check the level.